Welcome to Minutes Builder, the smart solution designed specifically for engineering teams. Minutes Builder transforms your engineering meetings into actionable, standards-compliant documentation with just a few clicks. Begin by uploading your audio or video file directly into Minutes Builder. Choose the types of reports you want to generate, whether it's detailed meeting minutes, action item summaries, follow-up emails, or additional insights. Select the options that best suit your engineering meeting's requirements. Click the Create button to get started. The system transcribes your recording with exceptional accuracy and automatically generates your meeting minutes along with any additional reports you requested. It applies standards-compliant formatting by automatically organizing all required sections. Participant lists, summaries, action items, technical decisions, and next steps according to industry standards. Now you can edit the text, add new sections, or include participants from your preloaded contact list. You can personalize your report with custom branding. Add your company logo, name, and contact information in a personalized header. Need further refinement? Use our built-in AI tools to polish your reports or draft a follow-up email to your participants. Simply ask, and Minutes Builder will help you craft the perfect message. Keep your records organized by adding your report to an existing project. This feature makes it easy to manage and retrieve your documentation for future reference. When you're satisfied with your minutes and reports, share them with your team directly from Minutes Builder or download them for your records, all with just one click. Minutes Builder is the ultimate tool for engineering teams, saving you time while ensuring your meeting documentation is both comprehensive and compliant with industry standards.